Hi students, today we are going to discuss about lines and angles, 9th class 4th chapter, exercise 4.3, 15th bit. In the given figures given below, AB parallel CD. EF is the transversal intersecting AB and CD at G and H respectively. Find the values of X and Y. Give regions. First question, in the given figure, AB parallel CD, EF is the transversal. Given AB parallel CD, EF is transversal. From the figure, AB parallel CD, EF is the transversal. This angle is 3x, this angle is y. Which angles are alternate interior angles are equal. Y equal 3x. Therefore, alternate interior angles are equal. AB parallel CD, EF is the transversal. Sum of two angles form a straight angle. 2x plus y equal 180 degree. Therefore, linear pair of angles 2x plus y equal 3x equal 180. 2x plus 3x 5x equal to 180. X equal 180 by 5. 36 are 180. Therefore, x equal 36 degree. Find the x equal 36 and y equal 3x. Y equal 3 into x equal 36. 336 are 180. Therefore, y equal 180 degree. Find the y equal 180 degree. Second question, in the given figure, AB parallel CD, EF is the transversal intersecting AB and CD and G and H. Given that AB parallel CD, EF is the transversal. From the figure, AB parallel CD, EF is the transversal. This angle is 3x minus 20. This angle is 2x plus 15. These two angles are corresponding angles are equal. 2x plus 15 equal 3x minus 20. Therefore, corresponding angles are equal. 2x, 3x transposing to left hand side, minus 3x equal minus 20 plus 15 transposing to right hand side, minus 15. 2x minus 3x equal minus x equal minus 20 minus 15 equal minus 35. Minus minus cancel, x equal 35 degree. Find the x equal 35 degree. Third question. In the given figure, AB parallel CD, EF is the transversal intersecting AB and CD at G and H. Given that AB parallel CD, EF is the transversal. From the figure, AB parallel CD, EF is the transversal. This angle is 4x minus 23. This angle is 3x. Parallel lines, inside angles. Interior angle, same side of transversal. 4x minus 23 plus 3x equal to 180. Therefore, co-interior angles 4x plus 3x 7x minus 23 equal to 180. 7x equal 180 plus minus 23 transposing to right hand side plus 23. 7x equal 180 plus 23 203. X equal 203 by 7. 729 ja 203. Therefore, x equal 29 degree. Find the x equal 29 degree. 16th bit. In the adjacent figure, AB and CD at AB parallel to CD. T is a transversal intersecting E and F respectively. If angle 2 is to angle 1 equal 5 is to 4, find the measures of each marked angles. In the given figure, AB parallel CD, T is transversal intersecting CD and AB. This point E, this point F. Given that AB parallel CD, T is transversal. From the figure, angle 1, angle 2. Sum of two angles form a straight angle. Angle 2 is angle 1 equal 5 is 4. Let angle 2 equal 5x, angle 1 equal 4x. Angle 1 plus angle 2 equal 180 degree. Form a straight angle, angle 1 plus angle 2. Therefore, linear pair of angles. Angle 1 equal 4x plus angle 2 equal 5x equal to 180. 4x plus 5x 9x equal to 180. X equal 180 by 9. 920 ja 180. X equal 20 degree. Find the x equal 20 degrees. Angle 2 equal 5x equal 5 into x equal 20. 520 is a 100. Angle 2 equal 100 degree. Angle 1 equal 4x equal 4 into x equal 20. 420 is a 80. Angle 1 equal 80 degree. Sum of two angles equal 180 degree. Straight angle. Therefore, angle 2 equal to angle 4. Angle 2 equal to angle 4. Reason is vertically opposite angles are equal. Angle 4 equal to angle 6. Angle 4 equal to angle 6. Parallel lines AB and CD, transversal T. Parallel lines inside angles. Alternate interior angles are equal. Angle 6 equal to angle 8. Angle 6 equal to angle 8. Reason is vertically opposite angles are equal. Angle 2 equal to angle 4. Angle 4 equal to angle 6. Angle 6 equal to angle 8. 100 degree. Therefore, angle 1 equal to angle 3. Reason is vertically opposite angles are equal. Angle 3 equal to angle 5. AB parallel to CD. Parallel lines inside angles. Angle 3 equal to angle 5. Alternate interior angles are equal. Angle 5 equal to angle 7. Angle 5 equal to angle 7. Reason is vertically opposite angles are equal. Equal to 80 degree. Angle 1 equal to angle 3. Angle 3 equal to angle 5. Angle 5 equal to angle 7. Equal 80 degree. Sum of two angles equal 180 degree. Sum of two angles equal 180 degree. Sum of two angles equal 180 degree. 17 bit. In the adjacent figure AB parallel to CD, find the values of x, y and z. In the given figure, AB parallel to CD. Given that AB parallel to CD, PQ is a transversal. Is transversal. This angle, sum of two angles, this angle. Parallel lines inside angles and interior angle same side of transversal. 2x plus 3x plus 80 degree equal to 180 degree. Therefore, co-interior angles 2x plus 3x 5x plus 180 degree equal to 180 degree. 5x equal to 180 minus 80. 5x equal to 180 minus 80 equal to 100. X equal to 100 by 5. 520 is a 100. Find the x equal 20 degrees. AB parallel CD, PR transversal. AB parallel CD. PR is transversal. This angle is 3x, this angle is y. Alternate interior angles are equal. y equal 3x. Therefore, alternate interior angles are equal. Y equal 3 into x equal 20. 320 is 60. Y equal 60 degree. Find the y equal 60 degree. Sum of two angles form a straight angle. Y plus z equal 180 degree. Therefore, linear pair of angles. Y equal 60 degree plus z equal 180 degree. Z equal 180 minus 60. Z equal 180 minus 60 equal 120. Find the Z equal 120 degree. Therefore, x equal 20 degree, y equal 60 degree, z equal 120 degree.